for the Cameo. It's much smaller than our regular tote, and it, as you can see, it is just big enough for the Cameo and some cords and your blades. You can also fit your mat just draped over your Cameo here. And it provides some good protection, and it's very inexpensive at $14.99 MSRP.
Excellent, thank you.
With our new clear transfer tape, it makes it much easier to position your project where you want to. It's got the grid lines, and it just makes it much easier to see your project, put it right where you want it, apply it, remove it. Very simple. I think it's a big improvement over our old transfer paper.
Excellent.
With our scratch-off sticker sheets, our new colors are gold, and we have a printable. The gold, these are in addition to the silver that we already offer. As you can see in this example, you would print a card with a message, cut out a shape, and apply it over. And then you can scratch in this case, scratch the gold surface away to reveal the message that you had printed on the original card.
Okay, excellent.
This is a similar product, but instead of having a solid color, you can print it whatever color you want. So if you want to print a message that you scratch away to reveal another message, or in this case, they made a little math card where it's 2 + 2 = 4, and the child would scratch away to reveal the answer.
Gotcha.
This product is offered in white and clear. It's a window cling, but it's not any ordinary window cling. It's actually a printable window cling, so you'd print whatever you want. The advantage of the clear, if you did want that, is that with the white you can't see the design from the other side, but if it were clear, like I said, we do offer a clear as well. You would be able to get that design from both sides of the window.
Okay.
With our stencil material, we have two new options. We have a non-adhesive material that you can lay down and use as a stencil, but it doesn't have any adhesive. So if you're using a very delicate material, vellum or something, then you might choose this. If you want something that you don't have to hold down, then you would choose the adhesive option, which of course is the same material, but it's got an adhesive backing that's repositionable. You set it down, it stays in place. You use it as your stencil, and then you would peel it up and place it somewhere else, and go on your way. Use it over and over again.
Thank you.
We have a gold and a silver printable foil already. Rose gold is very popular, so we've added this to our lineup. So in addition to gold and silver, we also have a rose gold printable foil. It makes some fun projects with a very nice metallic foil sheen.
You said there's a printable one?
This is printable.
Oh, this one is printable? Nice.
And then this is a leatherette. It's kind of a faux leather, but it has a very leather-like feel and look and appearance. Very leather-like thickness. We've got several different colors in this pack. We've got a cream, champagne, and black. Cuts very well with any of our machines. The printable vinyl is just like a regular vinyl, very thin, very flexible, very applicable to many different surfaces. But in this case, you can print any design, any color, any pattern you want, and then position it as you would like. This one caveat on this is an indoor-only vinyl. We don't recommend use outdoors.
All right.
Everyone's familiar with duct tape. A lot of people like to make different little projects with the duct tape. The classic color for duct tape is gray, but now we've made it printable. So we've got a gray duct tape that's printable, but we also offer a white duct tape. So whatever pattern, whatever color you want to make, you can just print that, and you've got a nice little project. This, of course, is just a simple wallet. We've changed up our washi sheets, where before they were a 12 by 12 sheet. Basically, it was this size, this style, but we've gone ahead and put each pattern and color on its own sheet. 9 patterns will be available in each package, and it's very much, it's a washi tape, but on a much larger strip.
Okay.
With our wood sheets, I don't know if you can see, that's a very thin wood that cuts very easily with our machine. This product comes in a dark, a gray, and a light colored wood. 2 sheets in this pack of 6. And along those same lines, this is a cork material that, if you can see from this project, it's a very thin cork, but it cuts very cleanly. And both the wood and the cork have adhesive backings that make them easy to apply to your project.
Excellent.
This cup is actually our metallic vinyl. In addition to metallic vinyl, we also have metallic heat transfer for apparel and other home decor items. In the vinyl, we have a gold and a silver. In the heat transfer, we have gold, silver, pink, and teal. But it's just gives that very nice metallic look to a variety of projects. And if you're familiar with our chalkboard vinyl, you'll appreciate our whiteboard vinyl, which is, as you can see, you can write on it with a regular whiteboard marker, and it erases easily, and write all over again.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Last on this table is our wash-away fabric stabilizer. Currently, we have fabric stabilizers that you apply permanently with an iron. Once you apply them to your fabric, they remain on your fabric. This is slightly different in that you would mist this stabilizer with some water, apply your fabric to it, let it dry for about 10 minutes, and then the paper backing peels away. It's a clear surface. It's maybe hard to see, but that would stiffen the fabric adequately enough to cut with your silhouette. And then once you're done cutting, that stabilizer then washes out, and you're left with a bare fabric that can be used just as you would any untreated fabric.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.